In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate during a video call on platforms like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. We'll walk through the steps together to make sure that you can understand and engage in conversations, even if they're in a different language. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Google Translate, which you can easily access by going to translate@google.com in your web browser. It's a free and powerful tool, and it's remarkably user-friendly. Having it open and ready to go will set the stage for successful translation during your call. Now, once you're on the Google Translate page, the next step is to set your source language, which is the language being spoken during the call. This might be English, Spanish, French, or whichever language your counterpart is speaking. After that, choose your target language. This is the language you want it translated into, based on your preference or need. This could be updated as per your understanding to ensure that the conversation becomes seamless. You can select these languages from the drop-down lists available on the page, and thankfully, Google Translate offers a broad range of options to choose from. The next important step is to click the microphone icon, which you'll find on the left side of the Google Translate interface. This microphone icon allows the program to listen and then translate spoken words into your chosen language. It's a crucial step, as it activates the tool's real-time translation feature, enabling smooth communication. After clicking the microphone, you're ready to go with either speaking directly or holding your phone near your computer's speakers. Doing this will allow Google Translate to capture and translate the speech of the person you're talking to. Whether you're managing a business meeting or catching up with friends in another country, this approach can be incredibly helpful. Using Google Translate in this way can be a real game changer for cross-linguistic communication, allowing you to understand and participate actively. Remember, while this tool is quite powerful, there could be some nuances in translation that might not be perfect, but it certainly bridges significant gaps in understanding. It's a fantastic way to break down language barriers and ensure that you're not missing out on important information when someone is speaking a language unfamiliar to you. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively use Google Translate during your video calls. Practice a few times to get the hang of it, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps make your multilingual communications a lot easier and more enjoyable.